Tudum guys, it's too much rain in Madrid. I don't take subway, I in the bus. Look, heavy traffic and too much rain. I think there is storm, typhoon. Madrid is flooding na. Ay tubig ang kalye, look. First time I saw like this very heavy rain in Spain. First time in September, heavy rain. That's the Bernabeu Stadio, football stadio there. Madre mia. Heavy, ng lakas ng ulan. Es un diluvio, dice los españoles. God, oh. Flood na, flood. Kala nyo hindi nagpa-flood ang Spain? But this is my first time. Kaya hindi ako nag-subway. Baka baha ang subway. Oh, nag-bus na ako. Makapag-video pa. Maganda sana mag-video sa labas. But, basa na nga yung sapatos ko. Tsaka pa eh. This is rain eh. E luego, in December or January, we have a granizos, yellow, maliliit na yellow. The rain when it comes fall down, it's like a rain, a yell, maliliit na ano na granizos ang tawag, granizos, not granizados, granizos. Traffic na kami. Traffic na guys. Ayan ang ano, madilim ang alapaap. May storm. Keep safe everyone. Dito okay lang kami. Matutuwa nga mga tao umuulan ng Madrid. Even snowing, we love snowing. Yun, kasi Spain is a good weather naman. Not like in Iran every time. Pag winter na talaga, makapal ang yellow in the city. But here no. Just kailan yun nag-Filomena 2 years ago. Yun. Traffic na guys. May mga baha-baha na. Maapaw din ang kanal Yan. Smooth naman ang traffic. Ayan. Smooth ang traffic, smooth. And kasi ang bilis ng autobus. So magbas na ako kahit abutin ako ng 2 hours. Ini-video pa naman. Maraming nagbi-video kasi excited sa ulan. Imagine in 2 months walang ulan and summer very hot, boiling point, and now September, summer is gone, ngayon raining naman. Ayan o, traffic na. Tranquila lang ako, nasa bus 27 ako, number 27 ng bus, to Embajadores. Yun. Okay, bye then. Be safe everyone. Good night.